So students, today we will do the experiment of line coding. So this is your actually line coding kit. This is known as data formatting and carrier modulation transmitter trainer, in which we can do the experiment of line coding. So student, you know that line coding is actually representation of 0 and 1 with different voltage levels. So for line coding, you require to give the input as a digital data. So that digital data input is generated by your PCM kit itself. That you have already done the experiment PCM. You know that PCM do the analog to digital conversion. So this is PCM experiment. You can take the review of this PCM experiment. PCM, this analog signal is required to convert in digital domain. So this is your analog signal is given to the input of your PCM. Then here you will get the what digital data in the form of 0 and 1, but without any line coding, right? So this digital data is input to the what your line coding kit. This here data transmitter data input. So here we are giving this digital data to the line coding kit. Line coding kit. So this is your input data, the data to which you are required to apply your line coding technique. Yeah, different line coding technique mentioned are here. We will do the 4 line coding technique, but you can do other also. Right, this is your clock, because clock should be synchronized. So this transmitter, this PCM, actually PCM clock is given to the your line coding kit clock input. So these are the same clock input is maintained here. Now so this is your kit description. Further you can see here, this is what NRZ-L, NRZ-M, then Manchester biphase return to 0. So these are the different coding blocks are given. Students, the next part of our experiment is what line coding NRZ-M. So you know that we have studied in theory, NRZ-M is known as non-return to 0 mark. So what is the value, what happens in NRZ-M coding? One is marked by or represented by change in level. That means one is represented by change in voltage level, and 0 means there is no change in level. Yeah, means now see, yellow is what input, and again violet is your output. So see here, we can see here, this is suppose 0. There is some 0 is there. So 0 means there is no change in level. There is some delays there. Then see, 1 is coming. So 1 means change, right? Then again after 1 there is a 0. So 0 means there is no change. See students here, this is very important point. 0 means no change. So here the what string 0 to 0, there is no change. Then 1 comes, then there is a change. See this change corresponding to this change. Then after this 1 there is a what 0. So 0 means there is no change. So no change. Then again 1, so there is change. Then 1 there is change. Then again 0, there is no change. This is all about your NRZ-M coding, right?